Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. Well, it has been a beautiful day. We were off to a cool start in the 50s and 60s, but now with plenty of sunshine and hardly any clouds in the sky, let me tell you, it's warming up out there. In fact, temperatures are at 80 degrees here in Weslaco with a light southerly wind at about 9 miles per hour. But when you factor in the breeze bringing in some of that humidity, it doesn't make it feel too different just because the humidity is going to remain low for today. We have temperatures across the RGV mainly in the 80s, 82 in Edinburg, a little bit warmer there, 81 in Raymondville and Brownsville, but elsewhere 80 degrees. Your dew point values, here they go, the upper 40s and mid 50s across most of the valley, upper 50s when you get into the lower valley and closer to the coast, which is to be expected closer to the water there. But for the most part, it's really very comfortable outside. I had my lunch outdoors just a few hours ago and it was absolutely beautiful. I recommend that at the noon hour. But look at your wind speeds, 8 to 14 miles per hour out of the south-southeast. So really not pumping in too much moisture this afternoon. So we are going to remain comfortable as we head into the second half of the day with plenty of sunshine. High temperatures near 86 degrees, and then we're back to 80 for your drive time home, dropping off to about 75 with a few extra clouds in the sky by 9 o'clock tonight. So we're going to zoom out and kind of look up to the Pacific Northwest and in the western portion of the United States. See a lot of green here associated with some rain, and then that turns into snow over the higher elevations like the central and northern Rockies as well as the Cascades. That's going to be the case for the next couple of days as the next system makes its way onshore. Now looking at the eastern seaboard, very wet weather there, especially as we head over into North Carolina. And that's where the flash flooding concerns are with this next system kind of making its way offshore over the next 24 hours and kind of all this moisture going up to the New England states. But really the major concern is for North Carolina today, with flash flooding being the biggest threat there. Back at home, we're going to remain dry all the way through most of the work week. In fact, it looks like even into the weekend, we don't have much favorable rain, but we do have a lot of heat headed our way. This is tomorrow, and check out these daytime high temperatures. 82 at the coast, not too shabby. 89 in the lower valley to 94 Raymondville and Harlingen, 96 when you get to Weslaco. But look at west of that, and we're headed to the triple digits, folks. So it looks like 100 to 102 for Edinburg, McAllen, and even Rio Grande City tomorrow. So that is a very good indicator of a dry line. So that dry line will move into the valley and kind of stop. Areas west will be in the triple digits of that dry line, and areas east of that still in the 80s and 90s. But the heat isn't done there. In fact, it looks like it gets even warmer. We will have that downsloping that we see sometimes coming from the Mexican plateau, and because of that, it'll send our temperatures to the triple digits by Wednesday. So for tomorrow, the high temperature in Weslaco is going to be about 98, while the western half of the valley will actually be in the triple digits. But by Wednesday, we're right there with them, 101 in the forecast. And then we go back down to more normal like heat, I would say. I mean, not average, but still above average, but still not quite the triple digits for Thursday, near 95. Then 99, hot and breezy Friday. Saturday, 100, back to 94 for Sunday with a few extra clouds in the sky ahead of the next front that looks like it could move in through about Sunday. But at this point, it doesn't look like it's going to bring as much rain. Your overnight lows will stay in the upper 60s tonight and then mid to lower 70s for the next 6 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.